Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, we'll be looking at the 10 best battery tenders for cars. Most people confuse battery tender with battery chargers. They are entirely different devices with diverse functions. Another name for battery tender is battery maintainers. A battery tender helps keep your car's battery in first-class shape, particularly when your car isn't being utilized for an extended time. A battery tender is mostly used by people who plan on leaving their car in the garage for a lengthy period that may stretch into months. In this video, we will discuss the 10 best battery tenders for car storage available in the market that you can comfortably invest your money in. But before we continue, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. One. Moto Power MPO0205A. This is one of the best battery tenders for cars. It's one of the cheapest battery maintainers for cars in the market. It comes with a mechanical battery maintainer. This battery tender is created to be effectively used on diverse batteries consisting of 12-volt lead acid. Special features of the Moto Power battery tender include charging all types of 12-volt batteries that use lead acid. It can supervise the whole charging progress. Stop charging mechanically when the battery is full. It has protections that guard that battery tender against overcharging, short-circuiting, and reverse polarity. It is spark-proof. Includes quick connect harness. It has a 2-year warranty. 2. Optima Digital 400. This is also among the list of the best battery tenders for cars, second in the list, and that is because a credible brand produces it. This specific battery maintainer for cars features an inbuilt battery health mode to make the most of battery life and performance mechanically. This battery tender has a hybrid LED battery charge and gauge with an LCD screen, so you can effortlessly keep a tab on the charging process and safeguarding. For feasibility, you can hook and tilt it using its dual-purpose stand. This battery tender is fully automatic, cannot spark, and has a reverse polarity guard. It also has the facility to spot several problems in the battery. One of its traits is its numerous phase performance charging and storage overhaul mode. This battery tender is a bit more on the expensive side. Special features of Optima Digital 400 include, a trustworthy brand produces it. It has a hybrid LED battery charging measurement with LCD. It is protected against sparking. It comes with reverse polarity protection. It has a 4A max. 3. Battery Tender Plus. This is one of the best battery tenders for cars that a reputable brand produces. It has a quick attach bind with alligator clips and ring terminals. The Battery Tender Plus comes with a 1.25A charger that is used to charge the battery and preserve it at an appropriate storage power without the destructive effects often found with trickle chargers. Special features of the Battery Tender Plus include a 1.25A battery charger. It features a quick connect harness. It can mechanically change from full charge to float charging form. It is spark-proof and has reverse polarity. It comes with a 10 years warranty. 4. Lesterk LSD battery charger and maintainer. This is another best battery tender for cars. It features 6-volt and 12-volt batteries. This battery tender uses an automatic trickle charger which mechanically changes to float form when the battery is full. It is protected from sparking and has a shield against reverse polarity. Due to the light weight of this battery tender, it is used for motorcycles. It comes with a lifetime quality warranty and a 1-year refund policy. Some unique features available on the Lesterk LSD battery charger and maintainer include, it does not spark and comes with reverse polarity protection. It is compatible with 6-volt and 12-volt batteries. It has an automatic trickle charger that switches to float mode. Visual feedback and diagnostic information. Ultra compact and lightweight. Lifetime quality warranty, 12-month refund policy. 5. BMK Smart Battery Charger and Maintainer. It features a short circuit, overcharging, reverse polarity defense, and overload. It also comes with steady pulse current repairs to evade overcharge. It is quite easy to use the BMK Smart batteries courtesy of its quick disconnect harness, and it is protected against sparking. It also features an inbuilt 72-hour safety timer to guard marginal batteries against overcharging. Special features on the BMK Smart battery charger and maintainer include, it is spark-proof, comes with a short circuit, and is waterproof. It boasts overload, overcharging, and reverse polarity protection to safeguard the battery. It has a 5A battery charger/maintainer for 12-volt batteries. Constructed from high-quality ABS. Constant pulse current maintenance. It has a quick disconnect harness. Lifetime quality warranty. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and turn on the notification bell to get notified when I post a new video. 6. Noco Genius G3 500. This battery tender has a 3.5A battery charger and maintainer, which is compatible with all 6 and 12-volt lead-acid batteries. This flexible battery charger is really easy to use. It features a control unit that helps to monitor and maintain the battery of your car automatically. This battery tender also presents a sophisticated repair mode that can help repeal the harmful effects when a battery is not charged for a protracted time. Special features on the Noco Genius G3 500 include, it comes with a spark-proof and reverses polarity protection. It features a 3.5A battery charger and maintainer. It functions well with 6 and 12-volt lead-acid batteries. It examines and preserves your car battery with mechanical expertise. It has an advanced repair mode that can help reverse destructive effects on uncharged batteries. It comes with a 5-year warranty. 7. Schumacher SC 1299 battery tender, offers various battery maintainers, depending on the amperage and charge rate you require. Options include 0.75A, 0.8A, 1.5A, 2A, and 3A. These battery tenders are powered by a microprocessor that automatically adjusts the amperage rate to charge and maintain the battery. Multi-stage charging contributes to precision, safety, and battery life, while reverse hookup protection ensures the charger won't function if the clamps are reversed. Product features, lineup of offerings, 0.75A, 0.8A, 1.5A, 2A, and 3A. Automatically adjusts the amperage rate. Multi-stage charging. Charging status LED indicator. Float mode monitoring to ensure optimum battery charge. 8. Diehard 71219 battery tender, is one of the best battery tenders for cars with its smart battery charger and maintainer. It is suitable for 6 and 12 volts batteries and has a fully mechanical microprocessor and LED display lights to indicate charging. The special features include, designed for both 6 volts and 12 volt batteries. It comes with a mechanical microchip charging system. It has LED indicators. Rapid join harness. Protects against overcharging and reverse polarity. Can use clamps, 12 volt accessory plug, or ring connectors. 3 years warranty. 9. Energizer Rank 2A, is yet another best battery tender for cars available on Amazon. This battery tender works perfectly well with lead-acid batteries of 6 volt and 12 volt. It also features a 7-step smart battery charger with high frequency. Special features of the Energizer Rank 2A include, a trustworthy brand produces it. It is designed for use with 6 and 12 volt lead-acid batteries. It has a 7-step, high-frequency smart battery charger. It mechanically switches between charging mode and float mode, monitoring. It connects easily using inbuilt battery clips or O-ring terminals. It is available in 2A, 4A, and 8A options. It has been certified by ETL. It comes with overcharging, reverse polarity, and short circuit protections. 10. Black Plus Decker battery tender. It comes with a battery charger/maintainer that can charge different batteries, including 6 volt and 12 volt AGM, gel, and wet batteries. It features a moderate basic battery tender that is inexpensive. It has a mechanical system discontinues charging immediately after the battery gets full and changes to float form. It is constructed with a built-in circuit that thwarts excess charging and shields in opposition to reverse polarity and short circuits. Special features on the Black Plus Decker battery tender include it charges 6 and 12 volt batteries. It connects easily using battery clips or O-ring terminals. It mechanically ends charging and levers to float mode to retain the battery. Among its attributes is a protection that covers overcharging, reverse polarity, and short circuit. It is ETL certified. It has an inbuilt mounting bracket for well-situated placement. It comes with a limited 1-year manufacturer warranty. In conclusion, keeping your car battery in the best health possible is imperative, particularly when leaving your car parked for an extended time. Battery tenders can help you evade the unnecessary spending of funds by cutting down the risks of you spending to change a dead battery. So, if you intend to park your car for an elongated time, protect your car battery's longevity by getting a suitable battery tender. You can carry out a proper market survey and read reviews before selecting from the list of the 10 battery tenders we provided. This is all we've got in today's video. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, like, and share this video. Thanks for watching. See you next time.